Welcome to my YouTube channel, Pinky Vlog. This is Ate Panmon, and we are here at this Ayala, Marikina, and we are ngayon, talentong Pilipino tayo, Art Space Galleria Ibanez. Art Space Galleria Ibanez, here in Feliz Ayala Mall, Marikina. And if you are interested to their paintings, they are also on sales. You can message them directly. I'll give you the link later on. But last of now, let us see. Kita nyo, dito pa lang. Ganda na ng entrance natin. Yan po, mga painting po ng ating mga Pilipino. Mga talentadong Pilipino. So, they accept credit card or whatever, debit cards. If you want to come here and buy, to buy whatever you like painting, tanong nyo lang po sa loob. So, not only painting they also have some 3D items here. Yung paper 3D siya. Napakaganda. Pinoy na Pinoy. We must be a proud Filipino about what the talent of the Filipino have here. So, dito po tayo ngayon sa loob at unti-untiin nating tignan ng mga paintings ng mga kapwa Pilipino natin. Ayan. Anyway, it takes too long para basahin natin yung mga description nila dito. But if you wanna come here in this galleria, you will see who are the painter and also the meaning of those paintings. So, we are here. Ayan. Ito po, ating pawikan. Pawikan. If you notice, there are some students also watching and looking at the paintings. And I like this one. It's Rose. And that one, I don't know. But you can see girl in your dreams. Girl in your dreams. Medyo madilim. This one, Gulong Sulong. A visual poetry painting. Harvest season. Napakaganda. Para tayong nanonood ng mga nag-harvest ng palay. We have here sa tabing ilog. So, it's near the river. Ayan. Okay? And we have here sa tabing ilog series. Also, another series. Medyo malayo. Dapat natin makita. Ayan. And also, here is our success. Siyempre, Chinese meaning niyan ay success. Like, napakaganda po ng mga goldfish natin. And we also have here, means abundance. Yan. Abundance yan. For Chinese meaning abundance. Here is a mother love. Ayan. Mother love. And also this one is a mother love too. We have here and here trees. Ayan. Gaganda ng mga painting nila, diba? So it's up to you which one you like. Then you can ask the price is right. Anyway, dito lang po yan sa Galleria ni Banyas here in Feliz Ayala Mall. Pasyal kayo dito at nang mapanood ninyong mabuti in actual ang kanilang mga painting na napakaganda. Yan, cloudy skies, and this is green. I like green colors, good for the eyes. Well, here this beautiful one with a beautiful frame, the Harvest series. The Harvest series din po yan. And here is made of acrylic, napakaganda niya. Yan. I like this one. Ganda ilagay sa bahay. Pero, takaw alikabok nga lang. Anyway, ito maganda din, our Harvest. And we have here also some painting here. Yan, dito naman tayo. May mga 3D ito, ang banana, maganda partner niya yung isang banana, yung banana. Yung banana leaves. And here, yan, may mga toys. Collections. Circles. Stardust. And this one is Yaman ngayon. Yung ganda yan. Yan 3D yan. Pwede mong hawakan, oh. Yan. And sunset. Here is the sunset also. Ang gaganda ng mga painting nila. Here also. Dito tayo ngayon. Itong ganda ng sculpture nila. I like this sculpture. Yan, oh. Beautiful. Ooh. I don't know how much the price. I like that one. This is the girl. Ito yung sa likod. Yung sa harap ay nakita na natin. Ito. Napakagandang nasa harap yan. Oh. Nakita na natin yan kanina sa harap. So here, yan. Hindi malayo kasi city. Yan, sa mga city natin. And these are the Rhapsody Bloom. Here, naku, dami pa pero maubos na ang ating nabibilisan ko na po kasi hindi natin pwedeng tagalan dahil marami pong magagandang paintings na dito. And we have the mga sculpture. I like this sculpture. Sculpture. This is maganda. This is nice also. I like this one. It's very nice. Yan. And here they also have something abstract, unique. Yan. Okay. Wala na yung gusto ko. Hindi pa natapos dito sa ano.